Professor Eugene S. Sakata, and lastly, Professor Juan P. Our Student Government Advisor, Professor Wayne Hyatt Rojas, and of course, our Student Government Officers, CPA faculty and staff. Your guidance and commitment continue to inspire our community to reach new heights. This moment also serves as a tribute to the sacrifices and unwavering support of your parents and guardians. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to you students, parents, and guardians for trusting the college throughout the years. Your sacrifices, dedication, and love have been the foundation of your achievements and aspirations. Their steadfast belief in your potential propels you forward, reminding you that no boundary is insurmountable when you carry those hopes and dreams in your hands. Lastly, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of our graduates for the your hard work and perseverance are truly commendable. As you stand on the threshold of your activities, may you carry with you a quality of purpose, conviction in your pursuits, and courage to break the new boundaries. Unlocking a world of limitless possibilities. Thank you, and once again, welcome to our Green Cup 2025.
Thank you, Professor Angelina, for those heartfelt words of welcome and encouragement. Your presence truly sets a beautiful tone for our surroundings. Our journey today is one of inspiration, and we are incredibly fortunate to have a distinguished guest who embodies the very essence of breaking boundaries and achieving extraordinary success. To formally introduce our keynote speaker, it is my pleasure to call on stage Professor Shaizilu B. Lagadan, Master in Business Administration, our BSBM Capital Coordinator. A round of applause, please.
Good day, everyone. It is my great pleasure to introduce to you our distinguished guest speaker for today, a passionate, confident, and highly dedicated professional in the field of tourism and customer service. She is a proud graduate of this institution, the Rizal Memorial State University, where she earned her Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. Throughout her academic journey, she demonstrated leadership and excellence, earning recognition as Miss JRMSU's second runner-up in 2019 and serving as an SSG CA representative during her fourth year. Professionally, she has proven her capabilities in the airline industry, having worked as a passenger service agent for Asia Pro and currently as customer service agent for Dinata Incorporation, Philippines under the Asiana Airlines team. In her roles, she has mastered key responsibilities such as a check-in agent, flight service coordinator, flight coordinator, and office staff, showcasing her flexibility and strong interpersonal skills. Her outstanding performance is backed by specialized dangerous goods training, and she is skilled in using thematic, a vital tool in international travel compliance. She has also co-authored a study published in the International Journal of Advanced Multidisciplinary Studies, which addressed the adaptability of tourism professionals to new work norms. To add to her achievement, she was named Best Tour Guide during her OJT with Fantasyland Travel and Tours, and proudly represented her school in the ACHI-RA National Inter-School Skills Competition under the flight attendant showmanship category. She is not only competent and knowledgeable, but also passionate about providing excellent service and inspiring others in the tourism and hospitality industry. And now she is waiting